You're not able to understand that this is important, but there are no endeavors for it.
Yes.
So
Then what is the question?
So then
Please.
how one can understand, how one should do internally, make us understand this is very important and one should be very sincere to chant attentively or hear attentively. How one can do that?
Prabhupada said, if somebody seriously want to go back to Godhead, he must pay the price. But if you don't want to pay the price means you have to become very, very sincere and serious. Why you are not becoming serious? Because you don't want to go back to Godhead. Yes or no? Please tell, do you want to go back to Godhead?
Yes, Maharaj.
Look, this is lip service I am telling. Now, any moment some temptation is given to you, it will be very difficult for you to resist. Yes or no? Ask yourself. So, it's not an easy thing. Prabhupada said, most of you don't want to go back to Godhead, they want to chant, dance, everything, do, good distribution, everything. Very well, not want to go back to Godhead. No, most of them. They want to stay here, chant, dance and enjoy everything. Very, very, very few want to go back to Godhead, Prabhupada said. But Krishna wants all of us to go back to Godhead. Unless you get kicked again, you don't come to our senses. So it is necessary. It is necessary, we want to be kicked. We want to come to our senses that I want to go back to God. I can never, how much I try, just like with a ball bearing grease, take some, look, you cannot, I am doing this dog's tail, I am trying to, isko teda ko, hum सीधा करेगा, सीधा करेगा. 1 second सीधा हुआ, और fraction of a second, again टेढ़ा बन गया. Again क्या? Again टेढ़ा बन गया. Million times क्या? Million times टेढ़ा बनता. That is our case. You understand? We want to become again, become happy here by practicing Krishna consciousness. Don't want to go back to God. Most of us, that is what Prabhupada said. I have to accept what Prabhupada said, not what you are saying. He just said, yes, I want to go. Anybody can say, I want to become a master degree, but he is going to pay the price for that? Yeah, that's right. He is going to pay the price to become first class pass? It's not so easy, Baba. Yeah? Suppose you are in kindergarten school, and Dad, I want to go to the university. You want to go to university? Become first boy in your class. He'll tell. You simply pass. Darling, you cannot go back. You have to become one of the first, second, something like that, they can go to university. Every class when you're going. Test will be more difficult. You can pass, not only pass, you can pass second, then there is chance. There is fierce competition. Here is also like that. You can just take it easy. Do you know, sometimes some movement, maybe in 50 years seen, 5% is there. It's like a sieving. One is Bhushimal, thrown. Again you get kicked from Maya, again come. Once you have taste of Krishna consciousness, you again think, no, let us go back. Again I practice. 5%. Why? They are all tested. There are various tests there. Again coming. Some coming this life, some coming very soon, some coming little late, some coming very late because of Maya kicking, coming to his senses. This is practical Krishna consciousness. Why so many is not seen? I tested by Maya, you are not qualified. Don't tell external thing. That is what I find from Prabhupada's book. If I am wrong, you find, you show me. I learn from you. Yeah, we are learning. We are learning from the history. Simply this Prabhupada said, don't take it, I am become a Brahmin. You just get the facilities. But Krishna will test you. You cannot escape. In front of others, you may show, I have control over senses. And nobody is there. Who is in the temple room? I am not eating gulab jam. What is all this nonsense? Understand what it means? I won't tell the story. In short, I am telling. In front of others, I am showing. I am not